Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. I'm here at a project that was designed for Turf Rebate and installed by Ed Wallace of Midwest Landscaping. And designed by me. So I wanted to turn this camera around and show you what the garden looks like. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. My apologies if you can't really see me, but anyway, I'm going to turn this camera around. Alright, so these were just some 2x2 concrete pavers to add some sort of an extension to the driveway while still keeping permeability. The plants are some Echeveria, some Calilophus hartwigii, 3 hot lip sage, and some Hesperaloe parviflora, red yucca. There is also a bunch of existing plants that we kept. If it's not dead, why chuck it? And a beautiful dry riverbed. Now there are some weeds, but par for the course, you're never going to have a completely weed-free garden, and I wanted to show you what this looks like in real life. And I gotta say, even with a few weeds, this is still far better than just having some lawn. I mean, at least you're providing a wildlife habitat and reducing your water bill in the process.